What is good, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, today, you know what I'm saying, I'm going to be breaking down an absolutely monstrous trade that we took yesterday, you know what I'm saying, caught over 140 pips. I didn't just catch it, though. I sent it out for people inside my signals, and everybody else caught it too. Everybody was eating yesterday, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to break down exactly the trade I took, why I took it, what I saw when I was taking it, what I was thinking during the whole process of the trade. So if you're excited for this video, smash the like button. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. At this point, I shouldn't have to ask you to subscribe. You should be subscribed already with the post notifications on, because why would you ever want to miss one of these valuable gems? You know what I'm saying? These gems are as valuable as your firstborn child. Like, you ever saw your firstborn child, or can you imagine you having a child for the first time, you lay eyes on it, and you decide to walk away and leave because it's ugly? That's how you acting by coming to my channel, not subscribing, not hitting the post notification button. You're acting stupid. Let's be honest. You know what I'm saying? So do all that. Find me on Instagram over there at Joovier_. And let's hop right into this, man. Wait, before we hop into this video, you know what I'm saying, I have to tell y'all. I say this all the time. I have a signals chat. I literally told y'all this trade. I called in the signals chat. Right now, we're in the trade right now that we called inside the signals chat already. And it's up 90 pips already in the past 15 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever it is. You know what I'm saying? We're going crazy with it. So if you're interested in the signals chat, I got a deal for you. Listen, I'm going to just do this for y'all. This is just for my YouTube people. And this is a limited time. I'm only going to have this up. I don't know for how long, but just get it as soon as I say it. If the signals chat is something for you, use code YouTube140. I'm gonna make that a coupon code. It's gonna take 30% off your monthly fee for the rest of your life. It's not just the first month. For the rest of your time that you in the signals chat, you gonna be locked in at 30% off if you use the code YouTube140. It's right there. And YouTube140 because we caught over 140 pips on that one trade yesterday, and we up 90 pips right now. Listen, you know what I'm saying? Just the chat comes with the signals. But the main point of the signals chat is not for y'all to rely on the signals. That's why I made a whole free course that goes with it. It teaches y'all everything you need to know. So you can literally earn while you learn, and you can copy our trades, make money while you watching through the course and learning how to do it yourself. So you can leave the signals chat. I'm putting myself out of business by teaching y'all the game. I'm teaching y'all everything I know in the mini course. I don't know why I gotta keep telling y'all this. You know, I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help you. So if that's something that interests you, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's inside the description. It's also inside the comment section down below. Use code YouTube40 for 30% off your monthly subscription for the rest of your freaking life. And let's hop right into this trade breakdown. All right, so boom. Here we are on the chart. Y'all know I love trading the NASDAQ. You know I love trading NAS100. This is my baby right here. This is literally my little Tatiana, because I treat her as such, because all I do is abuse her for money. It's so easy. You know what I'm saying? I've explained this strategy multiple times. I have my strategy inside the course that's in the Forex signals chat. It's a simple strategy, and Nas just loves repeating the same cycle over and over and over again. So I'm gonna show y'all this one. I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna show y'all this. You know what I'm saying? So basically, we caught the trade all the way from down here. Let me draw all the way from this green. Let me go to a fresh, clean chart for y'all. Hold on. Let's go to NAS100. Let's just go to a random one. Right here. Boom. Bada boom, bada bang. Here we are. So we caught the trade from the top of this green candlestick, right? We entered right here. Stop loss right below this area right here. And the take profit was all the way up to 1244 right here. The trade was all the way up here. You know what I'm saying? And you're probably wondering, how the heck did you know that the price was going to go up there? How did you? I'm going to break it down. I'm gonna run it through y'all so y'all understand. Run it through y'all? That's not right. I'm gonna run it to y'all. I'm gonna just break it down, you know what I'm saying, and tell y'all exactly what the heck happened, what was going on in my mind. So always start on the 15-minute time frame. You know what I'm saying? Let me go. Where is my chart at? Oh, it's right here. Okay, we always start on the 15-minute time frame. And the reason why I do that is because I have this indicator right here. I've made a video about my indicators that I used before. So go back and watch that video if you have not watched that video already. This indicator right here is called kill zones. It shows you the trading sessions. And basically how this is beneficial to anybody, you know what I'm saying? It shows you what the trade zones are, what time each session is. So the yellow time is the London session. The white time is the New York session. That's all I care about. Because the London session is always, let me remove these because some people be saying, oh, I ain't need to do that. Some people be saying they don't like the colors and all that. So I know where the times is and all that stuff. So London session starts at 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, right? So it starts from roughly right here till roughly when well, it doesn't end here, but this is when the New York session starts. New York session starts at 7 o'clock right here. So this is the lines. This is London session. This is the beginning of New York session. Usually what price does with NASDAQ, it'll make any type of moves inside the London session, and then during the New York session, it'll break out of either the high of the London session or the low of the London session. So what I do on the 15-minute time frame, I'll draw a box around the high of the London session, which this is the high. Everything before this green zone. Let me show y'all. Let me rewind it for y'all so y'all can see what the heck going on. Hold on. Let me put one more candle. Boom. And then this green line is where the New York session starts, instead of me putting the colors out there for y'all, because I know y'all don't like the colors. I don't know why. I don't know, you colorphobic or whatever. I don't freaking know. But I'll put a box on the high of the London session, which this is the high right here. And I'll put a box on the low of the London session, which is right here. But I see the trend, you know what I'm saying? We were in a downtrend. We had a huge trend going down. But then I see we're making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. We made a lower low right here, but then we still decided to go back up during the London session. So I'm looking for buys here. I'm biased to buys. But if it comes down in this area and breaks this low, I'm going for sells. But right now, I see it pushed up. It's at the top. I'm looking for freaking buys. Another thing that I'm seeing right now, once I make my box on the 15-minute time frame, I'll scale down to the 5-minute time frame. And what I'm seeing right now is kind of a channel, right? So what that means, we have price coming up here. You know, we got these dips, all these little small dips coming up, coming up, coming up. Then it comes down here and starts making like a little channel coming down. And what a channel is basically the price is just coming from here and staying inside this kind of line right here. Now, what that tells me is that either way, I've made a video about the whole squeezing strategy. You know what I'm saying? I made a video about the squeezing strategy. This is kind of an implementation of that, sort of, kind of, but not exactly how I explained it when I first made the squeezing strategy. But I see it making a little resistance right here, and I also see it making a resistance right here. Well, kind of following this channel, right? So I'm going to wait for a break of this channel. Instead of waiting for a break of this, I figured I can get in a little bit early by waiting for a break of this channel, because I'm biased to the upside, knowing that if it breaks out of this channel right here, these green lines, I should change the color of these. Let's change them to white just for now. Once it breaks out of these white lines, I know it's most likely going to push up. So now I'm just waiting. This is a waiting game. I'm fast forward, fast forward. It's still inside this channel. It has not closed outside of this channel. It bounces up off the bottom of the channel. And then I see it pushing up to the channel. We see it closed outside the channel, but I'm not ready yet. You know what I'm saying? I'm not getting in that yet. I still need a little bit more confirmation. If it had closed out like above this point right here, then I would have hopped in right on this candlestick, but I didn't. I waited for the next candlestick, and that is the candlestick that I was telling you guys about. This is exactly where we entered. Now, usually when I'm doing these breakout methods, I'll wait for price to break out above the box that we made of the London session high or the London session low. But since I'm trading based off of this channel right here, once it broke out of here, I entered into the trade. I put my stop loss right below this candlestick right here, literally right before the kind of at the bottom of the channel on the push up. Stop loss right here. And I had multiple different take profits, and how I found my take profits, we'll go to a higher time frame. So we see last time it was no kind of resistance area coming down here. It was not like price had came down. It was not like price that came down, then went up a little bit, down, came up a little bit, down, it came up a little bit. We see it was just a huge straight drop off. You know what I'm saying? So it was kind of difficult for me to find different take profit areas. But if I went down to the 15-minute time frame, it did show a couple areas of, I thought it did. No, I did. See, I'm forgetting. This happened yesterday. I'm forgetting. I only had 2 take profits on this. I had one right that aligned with the bottom of these candlesticks, because it could have came back up and retested this, then rejected back down. So I had one take profit right here aligned with this candlestick. So let me draw it. This is my first take profit right here in this area. And then my second take profit was right up here. We have a bunch of resistances in this area right here. We have this one, this one, this one. So that's what my take profit was. I didn't put my take profit all the way to the top. I put it kind of on the lower end, because I'd rather get out the trade here rather than it kind of coming up in this area and rejecting off. So once it came up in this area, I was 144 pips that we called on this trade. At this point, it's a waiting game. I did everything I was supposed to do. You know what I'm saying? I followed I made a plan. I executed the plan. It broke out of the channel. Stop loss below the low. It broke out of the channel. Closed out of the channel. Uptrend. I'm feeling good about this trade. Now it's just a sitting game. So what did it do? Fast forward, pushed. Dropped down. This was very scary. You know what I'm saying? It wicked down. This is at New York session, actually, like the trading day actually starting. 8:30 is when it happens. 8:30 Central Standard Time. It's 9:30 EST. So it's always some crazy movements in there. If you're in the signals chat, you know that'd be the time we just be watching NASDAQ go stupid. It's on crack. It just be going up and down crazy. You know what I'm saying? But it did all that, and then it ended up wicking back up, wicking back down, and then finally going back up and just continuing on the upside. Smash, take profit one, went all the way up, went up again, and literally it missed it by like a couple pips, but ultimately slammed it and hit us with 144 pip profit on this play. Literally, you know what I'm saying, a very clean setup, simple breakout, simple just following the direction of the trend, setting good take profits, setting good stop losses, and we were set. You know what I'm saying? We were vibing. 144 pips, easy. But that is the whole breakdown of this trade. I've explained this strategy multiple times. My strategy does not change. It's breakouts, 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 breakouts with volume. You know what I'm saying? I've explained it multiple times. But that is really it. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you guys think. You think the trade sucked? You think the trade was doodle balls? The price actually kept going up, honestly. Like if we fast forward, it's still going up right now. It's still going up. It literally ended up going up. I could have held this trade longer and made an additional 140 pips on it. But you know what I'm saying? I closed it because 144 pips is a ridiculous amount of pips. That's all I needed. I'm not greedy. You know what I'm saying? But that is the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Did y'all catch this trade? You know what I'm saying? If you in the signals chat, drop it down below. Fire emojis, because y'all know that was a fire trade. Everybody was in the chat saying Joovier is a guru. You know what I'm saying? Joovier is the GOAT. You know what I'm saying? I know this. I know. You know what I'm saying? But in all seriousness, that was the trade. Simple, following trading strategies and just waiting for it all to plan out, trusting the process and all that. Yeah. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, hit the post notification bell. And if you want to get involved with these signals, like I said, right now we floating like 90 pips in profit on the trade that we put out like 30 minutes ago or something like that. So if that's something that interests you, you want to hop into the signals chat and also be able to get access to that course that's included in the signals chat that tells you, even if you know nothing about Forex trading, it will show you how to get started. And it'll also show you everything that I know, all the strategies and all the psychology that you need to know to get started trading yourself. Use that code YouTube40 to get active in there. You know what I'm saying? You get that 30% off. And yeah, that's really about it. Good looking on your trades, good looking on your crypto, good looking on your trading plans, good look on your psychology, because that's the biggest part of trading. Good look on your birthday party that nobody ever shows up. Why do I always do this? I don't always gotta talk bad about y'all, but it's the truth. Nobody came to your birthday party. It's not a surprise. It's not. Good luck in life as a whole, man. And I'm gonna see you on the next video.